Ni hao.
Hola.
Hey. Today we're making
Lemon bars.
Oh yeah. To start, you need
Butter
flour, confectioner sugar,
and salt.
just a pinch. Combine the flour. Puff. That's 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grease the
Pan.
Okay, confectioner sugar.
1 cup of confectioner sugar.
1 cup. And a pinch. We got this. Pinch.
And then you add in the 2 cubes of butter.
Yeah, very high quality butter actually.
Very good butter.
Nummy. 2 cups.
Mix it up.
I will do it. Okay. Cooking mama. After this, we shall pour our mix into the pan.
And then push it to make a nice crust.
Crumbling. Then we'll put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make the fillings. As you know, we are mixing the butter. Did you? And now we will evenly spread. All of it. Thank you, Dad. No, I think it's because I hate him.
Yeah.
That's why they sent me here.
Now we put this in the
Nice
oven.
and hot.
Well, our oven's over here, 350 degrees.
For 20 minutes.
We are not setting it for 20 minutes.
While the crust is baking, we will make the filling. We will mix together our 4 eggs, our 6 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 cups of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of flour.
I'll mix it.
We will let Connor mix it.
Yummy. You're my baby. I wanna love my baby, wanna hold it. Zach. We're done cooking for our batter, and now we are pouring the lemon sauce into the pie crust. We're gonna evenly spread it out.
And now we will put it back in the oven.
Okay, we are done with our lemon, and Jeremiah is putting some confectioner sugar. Jeremiah put a little too much sugar.
A lot of sugar on
Yeah, yes, I hope you try our recipe. Thank you and come again.
Cookie jar.